So that's why this appearance is bitter, and outside is sweetness more. Oh, sorry. Thank you. So, who can explain the glories of Vrindavan? So Vrindavan is so Vrindavan. This dust is not ordinary. Vrindavan dust is not an ordinary dust. It is a transcendental. And this creature, the Brahma, this Brahma cannot create that even a dust. He cannot create. Who is the creator of the universe? Yeah, sweet sense. No. These creepers and trees, these are not ordinary. That's why it is said, "Koi."
Radhe, Radhe.
So, in Vrindavan, everything is saying Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. In Vrindavan, all the creepers, you understand, creepers, that is not ordinary. Radha Ranis that are planted by Radha Rani's her own hand. Radha Rani herself planted that creepers, and Radha Rani, and when Radha Rani is planting them, at the same time they are growing, same time. And when Krishna is coming, Radha Rani herself saying to the creepers, "My beloved is coming," and creepers, they start moving, and they start moving here and there, and they are welcoming Krishna. Like when Sadguru is coming, the bona fide master is bona fide guru is coming. So what they are the bona fide disciple, what he is doing, he is welcoming his Gurudev. So in the same way, that creepers, they are welcoming Krishna. So this is described in this shloka. So beautiful. In Vrindavan, these birds, Pakshi, what they are doing, these birds? They are chanting Radhe, Radhe. They are glorified. That's why it is said. This Rajhans, cuckoo birds, and they are chanting Radhe Radhe. If you will not chant Radhe Radhe while you are in Vrindavan, then where you will chant Radhe Radhe? So some people are saying me, why you are chanting Radhe Radhe? I am saying, what should I chant? Tell me then. In Vrindavan, everybody saying, who will chant this Radhe Radhe outside Vrindavan? If we are going in Vrindavan, we have to. In Mathura, this is some proverb, like some Gokul, cow, and Mathura's daughter. So if their destiny will be, spoiled, then if they will move to other place or move to Delhi. Yeah. Gokul's cow and daughter of Brajvasi. If their destiny will be destroyed, then she will leave the Braja and go to Delhi or any other place outside Vrindavan. In Vrindavan, everybody is chanting Radhe Radhe. There is not a single tree where Radhe Radhe is not mentioned, posted there, printed, carved there. Thank you. So when people are asking me that why you are chanting Radhe Radhe, so I am saying, oh, foolish person, how you will understand this? by doing bhajan. So when we are chanting Hare Krishna, that is Radharani. Radharani was one name is Hare, means Radhe Krishna, Krishna, Radhe Shyam. अरे बोल सुनते केक के ऊपर हाथ रखो तुमने केक के ऊपर हाथ रखो ठीक है
राधा जी की जो
राधा रानी Radha Rani is one pointed place at Vishnu Chakravarti Pad. Radha
राधा जी की जो ये ऐसे जो स्थान जो है
राधा
वो
रानी
केवल राधा जी की द्वारा ही वो
Radha Rani's place is dominated by Srimati Radha Rani only. That place is known as Nidhuvan Nikunjavan.
और आगे जो राधा
And if you will move forward, Radha Kund is a place.
केवल राधा जी के सखी छोड़कर के किसी को
Only Radha Rani's Sakis can enter that place, not any other person.
संद्रावली तक लोग कुछ नहीं पाते
Chandravali cannot go at that place. All these Goswami Pad they are explaining. This is the glories of Vrindavan. You can stay by your body anywhere, but by the mind you have to stay in Vrindavan. Vrindavan is my heart, Vrindavan is my soul. Shri Prabodhananda Goswami Prabhupada, he in Vrindavan Mahatma Radha Sudha Nidhi, you are staying in Vrindavan, you are staying in Braja. You should read that book. You can stay anywhere. So Brajvasis, you should never criticize Brajvasis. You should never see their faults. If Brajvasi they will speak abusive words, still you should never. You should not. You should not have bad feelings for them. You should always pay your obeisances. This is Navadvip Dham. This is not ordinary. Vrindavan is where prominent is fitness, and this Navadvip Dham is magnificent and magnanimous, munificent. There is 1 rupee, and other side. I don't understand. There is 1 rupee, but both are same. So Mahaprabhu's dham is more special. Huh?
Both sides of the coin.
Oh, okay, I understand. Navadvip Dham is known as Odarmai. This Odar is known as, without asking for anything, without any qualification what you are getting, you don't want to take, but still they will give you. You have to take. You have to take it. So these are the glories of Navadvip Dham. Sachidanand Gaur Hari. I heard this katha from Gurudev's lecture. Gurudev is saying, today Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is coming in the form of Shri Gaur Sundar and all the gopis, that is Karuna Shakti. And that Karuna Shakti, Mahaprabhu is saying, oh my Karuna Shakti, today, like a horse, for controlling the horse, we need this whip and then beating the horse. These two needs. If we will make this whip loose, then he will run on his own will. And if we will pull it tightly, then he will be not able to walk on the wings. So Mahaprabhu, what he is doing? So he is removing his
Rain.
wings. So Mahaprabhu is saying to his Karma Shakti, you can go anywhere, where you want to go, you can go. Where you can give the love, you can give. You don't see the person is qualified or not qualified. These are the glories of Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna. Sachinandan Gaurari, you tell me. He is giving the love to everyone. Sachinandan.
एक और बताइए, आप यदि गौरांगना है कभी
यदि गौरांगना होते तभी की होते
राधार महिमा प्रेम की सर्वोत्तम सीमा
last limit of Radharani's divine love. It's very difficult to understand. That is known as Madanakya Mahabhav. This is only Radharani's treasure. This is not in anyone. Chandravali is like Lalita. This mood is only in Srimati Radharani. I told Jadi Narayan na hoita tabi ki hoita. If Gurudev Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj didn't came in this world, so how we will be able to understand the moods of Srimati Radharani? Srila Gurudev, so they are preaching this, they are giving to everyone this mood. They are preaching this mood. So these are the glories of Guru Padma. Srila Gurudev. So that's why the people from many countries, like a bumblebee, they are coming to him. These are the glories of Gurudev. Param Gurudev, he predicted. Many people are sitting. One is when there are many listeners, so from the heart the katha is coming out. So that's why it is said. It depends on the listeners. It doesn't depend on the speaker. It depends on the listener, how the listeners are. And then the speaker spontaneously he will speak the Harikatha. So these are the glories of Gurudev. These are the essence of life. These bricks, wall, one day everything will go. Everything will finish. Gurudev have built this so big buildings. How long it will stay? When Gurudev was here in his Prakat Leela, he was not able to. He was not staying here for not for more than 1 month. He built so big building, but he was not staying for. He was staying only for parikrama. This brick wall.
अपने खुदाई रूपी मंदिर में उसको बनाने का।
We should not be so much.
तो जरूरत है क्योंकि साधारण लोग जो आएंगे बैठेंगे कहाँ से लेंगे।
Yeah. We should make this temple in our heart. This Hriday Mandir.
सनातन गोस्वामी पाल मदन मोहन इतना विशाल मंदिर बना करके पास
So the temple should be inside. These are okay. So people are making its service for the Lord. So we need for listening Harikatha. There should be proper atmosphere for this bhajan.
जहाँ पर भी हो
Wherever you are,
अनुकूल परिवेश में रह करके हरि कथा से
you should.
हमारे जीवन की उद्देश्य क्या है?
What is the goal of our life? Listening Harikatha.
बाकी तो ये सब
Everything we say.
आपकी हरिकथा के ऊपर बहुत जोर है
कथा
You should listen Harikatha.
मेरे याद है ये
I remember on disappearance day of Shri Rupa Goswami
सनातन में
in Shri Rup Sanatan Gaudiya Math.
उसमें जो है गुरुदेव जो है
Gurudev,
ये बन करके क्या बोले
He was-
वस्त्र पहन करके बिल्कुल
he was
2:30
wearing.
बजे तैयार हो जाते थे
He was dressed completely and ready at 2:30 a.m. 2:30 p.m. and he was so eager. He was asking that where are everyone? So then he said, okay, let me go out. Let me go out. When I will go, everyone will come. So I have to go. So he has so much eagerness to celebrate Shri Rupa Goswami Tithi. So Harikatha is the essence of life. If I will not speak Harikatha, then what I will do?
हमारे को कथा हो जाता है जी
So beautiful this.
आप सब प्रसाद
ठीक है मतलब
हाँ
Oh, sorry.